Now, recently I've noticed, I've gotten just the views, everything has been piling up, right? That kind of happens when you make controversial shit, or speaking the truth, so to say, right? The thing is, again, I've clarified in every video that I've made, I've clarified that I have no intention of saying anything controversial or necessarily my full-on opinion or feelings necessarily. It's more so, I more so base things off of facts. I show things on screen. When I say something, I have proof. I don't mean anything with ill intent or hate, any hatred towards any person or anything. It's just funny though. I haven't gotten any like hate necessarily, but if we do look here, I do see dislikes, right? It happens. You know what I mean? That's just you just have to kind of go with it. It really doesn't matter. Even this one, it's a 3-to-4 ratio. Yeah, but I mean, it's been really funny though, to be pretty honest, because this video has been blowing up, and I mean, I'm sure I know why. The fact that it has Andrew Tate in it pisses everyone off. I mean, that sucks. I don't really care. I'm gonna make content that I want to make. Yeah, I make content for the viewers. I make the content for you guys, but I'm also making it because this is stuff that I want to watch and I feel I want you guys to see. Whether you hate it or not, you should see it. And I've also suggested a few times before, if you guys have anything you want me to watch, any video in specific, any channel you want me to look over, let me know in the comments. Nobody does. So I'm gonna keep going my own path unless someone suggests another thing to look at. Just for clarification. So yeah, realistically, I'm not bothered by this. I get it. I really don't care. Everyone has their own opinions. I mean, you don't have to like any of my stuff. You don't have to like any of the opinions that I have. I don't have to like the opinions you or anyone else has, and that's totally fine. Everyone has their own opinion. Everyone has their own feelings. Just don't shit on people for it, because again, it really doesn't matter. Everyone's a different person. We all have our own things, right? And so basically, I just made this video as just a short little video today, just to kind of let people know. Don't ever care about what other people think of you. You know what I mean? It's just life. Not everyone's gonna like you. Not everyone's gonna love you, but not everyone's gonna hate you either. You weren't made for everybody to just straight up fucking fall in love with you. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Especially the more fame you get, the more people that know you, the more that you speak out on how you see things, the more people are gonna hate you. That's how it is. I mean, it doesn't matter. That's just what it is. People aren't gonna agree with you. They can hate you for it, sure. But it doesn't matter at the end of the day. They're still watching my videos. Nearly 1,000 people have watched my videos. There's still more positivity in it than negative, and either way, it's cutting it close. It's a 23-20, but it doesn't matter. But either way, you can't stop me. I'm gonna keep making my content. I haven't said anything wrong. You can't cancel me. I didn't do nothing wrong. You can go and try to dig dirt on me. I'll tell you something about my life. It's pretty boring. There's nothing special about it. There's no reason for people to get fucking mad, you know what I mean? The only other thing that I do is make music. Here and there. I got into it a lot more before, but I'm just, I've been losing a lot of my creativity, so I just decided to come back. I just decided to come back on here and just show people what the world is now. People hate you for having a different opinion. That's what it is. And that's fine. You know what? If you're gonna hate me, okay, hate me. I don't care. You're still giving me attention. You're not winning. I've seen people the other day. I was watching Sneako's stream when he finally got unbanned on YouTube, because he got a temporary ban. But it was so funny. People were donating to him, right? You know how you can't really read the chats, if it's being fucking spammed and shit, right, by so many people. So it makes sense they donate. But they're talking shit on him, but they're donating. You're talking shit, right? Straight at him, but you're giving him money. I mean, you gotta love it. People they'll support you even though they hate you. They know there's a little bit of them that doesn't actually hate you. They just wanna go with the rest. They just wanna go with the rest of the crowd. That's fine. I mean, do what you want, but doing things that way isn't really gonna get you anywhere. You gotta have the way to stick out is to have your own opinion and even share it. It doesn't matter. Don't be afraid of people fucking hating you. We watched it in the other video of the fucking switch up thing. In the video, the guy was talking about, why are you afraid of hate? Yeah, why are you afraid of hate? Don't be afraid of hate. People are gonna hate you. Like I said, you're not here for everyone to fucking adore you. That's just not what it is. That's just life, man. I mean, you gotta get over it, realistically. I mean, you can't be hung up on people just talking shit in the comments. Just leave it alone. And if you really don't like it that much, I mean, I guess just delete the comment or something. It's not a huge deal. Because at the end of the day, just know, like we're seeing here, they're giving you attention, just like they did with Andrew Tate. Oh no, controversial, because I said his name. Oh no. Just like they did with him. He's the most Googled man on the internet now. Why? Because he's so hated, and people still decide to look him up. Isn't that something? How people will only give attention, they'll give the most attention to the things that they hate. The things that piss them off. Why? We have yet to figure that out entirely, but it sure is, it's something interesting, to say the least. I'll say that, but all my YouTube stats and everything really doesn't matter. This is just the fastest growing video that I've had before, like ever. And I think, again, the reason with it is controversy. Whatever. I don't care. You're giving me attention. It works for me. I'm a content creator. I need that to thrive. So just keep her coming, I guess. I'm not mad. I have no reason to be mad. So whatever. I have my opinions. I'm going to keep sharing them. Not only that, but I'm also going to keep sharing the truth with you guys. So again, I'll say it one last time. If you guys have anything you'd like me to watch, put it in the comments. You can either just write the title or you can share the link and I'll watch it. The one last thing that I wanted to note before we wrap this up here is that people will really only hate you or put hate towards you to make you feel bad about yourself because they know you're up and they're down. They feel shit about themselves, so they want to put you down just so they can boost their ego. Because they know they're just a rotting piece of shit. It is what it is, man. Just gotta ignore it. Just gotta get over it. So with that being said, have a wonderful day. And do not forget, if someone's shitting on you, just know it's only because they know you're better than them. Suck a dick.